My wife name is Vasundhara. She's completed graduation at 2016. After that, due to this COVID and all, she's struggling to get the job, and she has not done any course also. Finally, we came to the Bangalore and we searched the Besant technology in online near to my home. Here the courses she was selected Python plus MySQL, and the course coordinator was Bala. He was a good coordinator and he will take care of the course completions and the placement as well. And finally she got a job in India Document Solution, and that's it, and it's a very good institute. You can join here.